We live yet? I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait till I got into the studio. Oh, there we go. Hey, good morning, Henry McClure Live. I just came from courtroom 3C at Shawnee County District Court to watch MTAA in action. And I'm just here to tell you how much it's costing you. And one thing that Spencer doesn't get yet. Well, wait a second. You don't have standing in this. You don't have standing in that. Well, look, citizens should have more standing than the elected jughead politicians. And we need to take MTAA away from MTAA. So let's just let's just review real quickly. I couldn't even wait to get into the studio. So the tenant out there, and we're going to call the tenant a lot of money into this space out there. But Mr. Long Term is also juggling funds, got to refinance some stuff. And the thing about a lease is an asset. So Mr. Long Term has to show the banker, the benefits of the lease and why it's an asset. So he just calls out to MTAA. His attorney's doing something different. And he says, hey, can you send a copy of the lease over to the bank? And this is kind of the way I think it went down. So they do. And then when the lawyer gets back, well, he sees a note that Mr. Long Term wants the lease over there. So he sends it. And then the banker goes, hey, wait a minute. We've got conflicting leases between Mr. Long Term and MTAA. So after a lot, then as time, now I understand now, Mr. Long Term is current with his lease. And Mr. Long Term's got a lot of money and he can pay the rent. Well, kind of when this argument about the lease raises its ugly head, MTAA, in their infinite wisdom and superior management of Eric Johnson and the board out there, they collectively decide to sue Mr. Long Term. And basically, I look at it like, well, wait a minute. MTAA got their hands in the cookie jar. So in the deposition about the lease, MTAA's forensic dude, he agrees with Mr. Long Term's attorney. Hey, wait a minute, this paper's different. Reams of paper, the colors don't match. And from a real technical standpoint, the forensic files, MTAA's attorney agrees with Mr. Long Term's. So now, hang on a second here. This goes back to 2019. All right. Well, so in order to not have this whole thing rear its ugly head, because the CJ Online, they don't have any balls. They're not going to cover anything. And I don't know. I think I need to get Eric Ives on this. This would be a good job for Eric Ives. And see, and what the people that say they're working for you. But this stuff needs to be presented to them and have enough sizzle to get coverage. So MTAA and Mr. Long Term They come on a settlement. They settle so it doesn't go to trial. Okay? And the settlement is signed. I don't know the exact chronological. I could find that out. But is it really a good use of my time? But so now today, and part of the settlement was that until the payment was made, interest at 8% on the settlement. Well, now they're going to court because and you know what, this is what I see. It's like, well, wait a minute, how come the judge hasn't realized I'm MTAA and it doesn't matter, you should be ruling in my favor? You know, I know the people at the Greater Topeka Partnership, and I know people at Go Topeka, and I know Kevin Cook. You know, I know all these people. How come I'm not getting treated differently? Well, the judge doesn't quite look at it that way. And what I saw today, now remember 2019 today, it's like now they're trying to retry the case. You know, there's a journal entry that says they got to pay this money. And MTAA is just, hey, you know, we don't want to pay this. And so, oh man, my phone's ringing. I got to take that call. More to follow. Got big deals going today. Love y'all. Bye.